Hey guys, this is Ryan with Clearview Shields. Just going over the install for Blow Rider windshield with our new hardware, and also go over how you can actually mount up the windshield before you remove the film mask and take it for a test ride. So this is what your screen's gonna look like when you get it. And this, just for reference, this is gonna be the smoke tint large screen that we'll put on the bike. You'll see our stop sticker. That's just telling you, hey, just make sure that this is the correct windshield before you remove the film mask. That way, if there's something going on, you can actually exchange the windshield or return it as long as the film mask is intact. There will be a QR code now on these windshields that we're trying out, so you can actually scan that, and that'll bring you to the YouTube video for installing the screen. So what I'll first do is install the windshield as if you're just going to take it for a test ride with the film mask intact. I'll show you how to put the hardware together as well here. Everything will be done in real time, so I apologize for any pauses or anything. So your kit's going to come with 6 Phillips head black oxide stainless steel bolts, 6 flat black washers, 6 spacers, and then 6 retaining washers. So if you look at the washer, it's got a nice smooth side to it, and then there's a side that has 3 circles on the back. The bolt is going to go in from the front on the smooth side. The collar will go in on the back side of that, so you want the collar between the back side of the washer and then the retaining washer. So the retaining washer is just there to hold everything together so it doesn't fall off the bolt. So you'll put the retaining washer on there, and that's going to be your assembly. I'll go through real quick, just installing the screen with the film mask on, just so you can see how you can take it for a test ride first. So again, you should be able to just put the bolt through the protective film mask. And always start at the bottom 2 holes. You don't have to tighten them up right away. You can kind of line everything up, get them on there, thread it on there a couple times, and then make sure everything's lined up and you go through and tighten them. So we'll just go around here. Again, I apologize for the delay. I'm trying to do this in real time for you guys so you can kind of see what the install process looks like, how long it takes. Okay, so pretty quick. And again, now you can kind of snug everything up a little bit more and go take the windshield for a test ride and make sure it's going to be the right height for you. Again, please do not remove that protective film mask until you know it's going to be the correct screen for you. I'll go ahead and take everything off here and then go through the full install, having the windshield on it without the film mask. And that way you can as well get a look at the large screen on the bike. So when you're going through and doing the, once you know the windshield's good for you, once you're doing full install, all you're gonna do is remove a little bit of the film mask on the front side here. You don't need to remove the whole thing. And then you'll remove your film mask on the inside, just up past where it will be hitting the top portion of the fairing here. Just like so. You have a little bit move on the back side, and then you move it on the front side. Same thing, you're gonna just start with the bottom holes and kind of work your way around to each side. You don't have to snug them up right away. You can install all the bolts and then get everything snugged up. And then once everything's aligned, you've got the windshield on there, you can go ahead and tighten all of these screws. You don't have to crank down on them either, you just want to snug them up. And then the most satisfying part of the video, again, remove all the film mask, not getting any fingerprints or anything on there, and that's why you keep it on there. So you don't scratch it or get it dirty. Same thing on the inside. Again, this is going to be our large smoke tent screen, and you can see this is our new hardware. The washer that we use here is the same diameter as the OEM grommet from the front side. And that is can be the final install for the screen. And from there, you should be good to go. Go riding. Thanks for watching.